This is the first video in which I show my initial file. Usually we teachers have names of students and their emails. Okay, so I have in the first column A, names, in the second column the emails of those students. Then next two columns are designed to choose random block sizes. For this, there is a well-known procedure. You can find this on the internet, that in column D you first insert random numbers using an Excel function. It gives random numbers uniformly distributed between 0 and 1. Then using those numbers you can reorder the list and assign block sizes, some regular behaving block sizes, not random. But then after you order the list by the name of the student, those block sizes become random. And then after this I have a block of data which I download from Yahoo. And what I want to say here is two things. First of all of that takes not very much time, perhaps 10-15 minutes, and you should think about having many more students. Like here I have in my list 20 names, and think about having several hundred names. So then what would you do? All of that can be and should be a little bit automated. Okay, there is a new application from Microsoft called Power Automate, and they say that you can automate absolutely everything, and I believe it takes some time to learn that thing. And what I do here is relatively simple. For example, here I have just email addresses in the text form, and I want here, instead of those email addresses, I want to have email links. Okay, and this I do with a small macro. Right now I have email everything in text form, so I use this small macro, and now everything becomes with links, and it's easy to use. When it is necessary to email a student, I click on that link, and then an email program opens automatically, and I prefer Gmail for the reasons that I'm going to explain later. Okay, so this is the file with which I work.